Good morning, Western Washington, and happy Monday. I'm Matthew Fab with Western Washington Weather, and today we're going to take a look at the forecast for the rain moving through today and what you can expect for the next few days. So starting right now, we're looking at the radar image for the state of Washington, and you can see some of our showers that are going to be moving through today are already moving on to parts of the southwest coast near Long Beach there. We do have a good area of showers moving off to the northeast across eastern Washington as well. You can also see some showers developing southwest of Olympia there, and those will all be moving north into the Puget Sound lowlands through the day. So let's take a look at the high-resolution rapid refresh model. You can see it is picking up on these showers that are moving toward Long Beach there. As we go through the morning, these showers are going to push up through Olympia and then through Tacoma and Seattle and up across the Olympic Peninsula. And then as they move up, we're going to have a lot more showers develop here around 2 p.m. or so. And then all these pop-up showers that could be pretty heavy at times are going to start moving to the north. You can see on the high-resolution rapid refresh model from 4 to 5 p.m. it has this really strong area of showers moving from Olympia up towards Seattle and then up into the Cascades over the east side there. And you can see these showers continuing up near Bellingham. And then we do have more showers that continue up across parts of the northwest interior and Whidbey Island. And then along the strait all the way into early Tuesday morning, you can see some showers continue across Whidbey and Camano Islands all the way to tomorrow morning before diminishing by early tomorrow afternoon. So taking a look at the lightning potential here, also on the high-resolution rapid refresh model, you can see that in some of these showers there is a chance of lightning, especially this evening. These are the ones moving through around 4 to 5 p.m., and you can see there is a lightning threat across parts of Puget Sound there, and that diminishes as we go into the evening, and then none of the other showers really have a considerable lightning threat. And precipitation totals with these showers, this goes all the way out through early Wednesday once all the showers will be done. And you can see for most areas under these showers, it'll be about a quarter inch of rain, maybe a little bit less. Although, depending on how much falls, it could cause some standing water and stuff like that, especially if it is heavy rain. So really not all that much rain compared to what some of the area got over the past few days, but our last round of rain for a few days here, and we'll take a look at that right now. So here is the overall pattern here. You can see we have this pretty big trough here. That's what brought our storm yesterday and what's going to bring these showers today. That kind of moves into the area through today and then weakens and kind of pushes to the south as it gets crowded out by this ridge to our north. We're going to stay mostly dry on Tuesday, except for those showers over parts of the northwest interior. We have a chance of mountain showers on Wednesday as this little trough moves through. And then Thursday and parts of Friday look to be mostly dry. And then we have some more active weather coming in this weekend with this large area of troughing to our northwest. And that's going to bring some frontal systems into the area, and we'll take a look at that here as well. So this is the European model. We're looking at a little bit of a different parameter than we are used to looking at when we're taking a look at the precipitation. This is precipitation type, so you can see it shows rain and the snow there. So this is a lot more helpful for fall and winter. So you can see as we go through today, we have these showers moving across western Washington, maybe some very high elevation mountain snow. Those showers hang on for some areas from Seattle north until about 2 p.m. tomorrow, and then diminish, and then we'll mostly dry through Wednesday, though, before the afternoon we get some mountain showers, potentially some light snow, and some showers on the coast Wednesday evening. And then we stay mostly dry through Thursday and through Friday, but you can see we've got these frontal systems moving in offshore, and by Friday night, this rain starts to move into the coast, and then by Saturday morning, it looks like we've got a lot of rain moving through western Washington, and this will gradually bring down the snow levels, but not immediately. So definitely looks like late Friday into this weekend we become active again, so we do have a nice break between now and then, but stay tuned for what we will be seeing this weekend. I'll be talking about that in the videos this week. And let's take a look at temperatures. I'm sure you noticed over the past few days it's been on the mild side with that atmospheric river to our north over British Columbia. A lot of subtropical flow moved up across western Washington, and that brought us some really warm temperatures. Highs reached the upper 60s in my area around Federal Way yesterday. But today, most of western Washington will drop a significant degree here, about 10 degrees of temperature cooling today. Highs from Seattle northward in the mid-50s, Seattle southward in the mid to upper 50s, maybe a couple places in some of the valleys hit the low 60s. On on Tuesday there, looks like we are very similar. It looks almost exactly the same there as Monday, except a little bit cooler on the coast, down in the mid-50s. And then by Wednesday, you can see we cool down even further there with highs from Seattle northward in the low 50s and from Seattle southward in the mid-50s. Same on the coast there. Exactly the same thing on Thursday, low 50s Seattle north, low to mid-50s Seattle south. And then by Friday, we do start to warm up a little bit there with highs in the mid to upper 50s from Seattle northward, and looks like the mid to upper 50s from Seattle southward. Some areas near the Cascades may be in the low 60s, and the coast will reach the upper 50s to low 60s. Looks like Long Beach there in the low 60s on Friday. One other thing we'll notice this week is that as we dry out, we'll have some pretty cool mornings. So here are low temperatures Tuesday morning. You can see low 40s outlying areas, mid 40s for Seattle, and then mid 40s Seattle north, in the mountains, in the 30s in the mountain towns there. But as we go to Wednesday, you can see temperatures decrease. Seattle area reaches the low 40s, and then all the outlying areas reach the upper 30s to low 40s. Some places from Olympia south reach the mid 30s. And then take a look at Thursday morning. This will be pretty chilly here. This means we've got highs here, or lows here in Seattle in the low 40s, maybe some upper 30s. And then areas from Seattle southward likely in the mid 30s, potentially some low 30s from Olympia south. And then Seattle northward lows in the upper 30s to low 40s. Friday morning looks to be coolest, with Seattle in the upper 30s to low 40s, and areas from Seattle south in the mid 30s, low 30s from Olympia southward and in the outlying areas there, and areas from Seattle northward also in the low to mid 30s. So you can see places like Arlington, a typical cool spot, almost near freezing there. And then the mountains look to be well below freezing, some areas in the upper 20s, and the passes look to be in the upper 20s to low 30s. So definitely some cooler mornings coming up as we have some dry and partly sunny days. Just want to take a look at this real quick. The 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, October 26th to 30th. So that is this is from Saturday of this week to the middle of next week. And you can see near normal to below average temperatures across western Washington there. But take a look at the precipitation signal. This is a pretty good signal for above average precipitation to end October, and that fits with the active pattern that we have coming in starting on Saturday there. So stay tuned for more information on that over the next few days. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and share these videos. We're almost to 500 subscribers here on the channel, so it'll be great to see that number increase, especially as we go more into storm season. So stay tuned, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.